Hi, my name's Amy. A lot of people asking me if I have an Excel spreadsheet. Inside I have a lot of contact. How can I bulk into my handphone without going through the hassle? So today I'm going to share you a simple tools that you can do this feature effortlessly. Okay, first of all, you need to go to Google Play for the Android. Okay, so here you can type for SA Contact. So there's a light version, SA Contact Lite, which is free, right? And there's a pay version, SA Contacts. I think it's only cost about $1-2. It's not really that expensive. So here I already installed this SA Contact. So what I'm going to do is open, right? So here there's several features. You can export from your phone book into the Excel, or you can import from the Excel into your handphone, right? So you just press start button, and before you do that, you are making sure which of the option you want your Excel file to be located at. So for example, if you want to store your Excel in the Dropbox or Google Drive, normally I put here in the Dropbox. And here, once you install the software, you are able to see inside the Dropbox, there is a folder called /app Excel Contact, right? So in Dropbox folder, please go and save your Excel file into that Excel Contact folder. So here is a bunch of the Excel spreadsheet that I'm saving. Okay, remember to save as Excel 97-2003 worksheet or workbook. Do not save into the latest Excel workbook. That will not work, right? For example, this is the template, or you can just try any of them. So for example, I try this next. So it will count and where I want my all the entry or the name and contact to be stored inside. Is this in my phone or is it my Gmail? In this case, I will store in my Gmail. Okay, so I just press next. Then it will prepare to import the contact data. So once it's done, it will prompt me that this is successful. Okay, just give some time for the contact to be processed. Importing contact, the file was imported successfully. Okay, so when you go outside into your contact list, you search for the P dash. This is what the code. You see, all this PPP is just now what I imported. All right, I hope this video is helpful for you, and enjoy my training session today. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching. Once again, if you like my video, please do like, subscribe and share.